where I was raised. You can't hear me, can you?
Let's get closer.
It's kind of windy.
Yeah, it is pretty windy. I can't really see. Here is a sign showing on this lookout point that you gotta tell people. Here's your sign. We're out here today at Arkansas's Grand Canyon. And of course there's your sign, don't be crossing. You can see it's just stunning. And there's my husband.
See the road we came up and we were looking at the bluff?
Wow. I guess I should back it to where you can see. Yeah. We drove all the way up that road, all around the bluff line.
Around that corner.
Around the corner. See. This honestly reminds me of Idaho. Not quite as many evergreen, but
yeah, that didn't used to be there as much.
Really beautiful.
They got most of the cedar trees got cut out to make number 2 pencils.
Really?
Yeah, they drag them down to the river and float them down the river, and that back in the 1800s. So a lot of the cedar trees got cut out. So they're coming back. The wind blows the seeds. So you can see where they started there. 1 or 2 started down there by the river.
Yeah.
Maybe small, and they flew across. There used to be great big pockets of them all the way down the river. So they cut them all down to make pencils. Which that was the thing. That was, you know, poor people could use a pencil where they couldn't use a
pen or
pen and ink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coffee house, the Cliff House Inn. It's a restaurant and motel, gift shop.
We'll go down a little further and look at some more.
This is another area we're at. Phil just noticed over there, you can see they're carving out limestone.
Looks like they're putting it on the road over here.
Yeah. Can you see it? Oh. Yeah. We're at this little lookout. Yeah. The cameraman's asleep in the truck, so y'all are stuck with me. That'd be a neat place to have a house.
Yep.
Way back there. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop your phone.